Yo, what's up? It's your boy X-Treme and welcome back, players, to another review, my boys. This time I'm gonna do 2-in-1, my boys. So first we are going to start by looking at the Victorinox, my boys, Trail Master, and as you can see here, it says camouflage. Swiss made, of course. So we're gonna open it up. This one, it's been with me, my boys, over a week ago. So that's the box. Throw that shit away and look at this, my players. Look at this, jeez. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, jeez. Look at this shit. Ooh, my boys. Here on the knife it says Swiss made. On the back we have a screwdriver. We have a screwdriver over here. This one is the back, of course. Here we have like a puncher or something like that. It's called like that. Here is always, of course, a clip. Here we have a tweezers, or what the fuck they are. They call them. Man, I'm in love with this, yo. Although I always carry the Swiss Champ X-AVT with me every single day. Even this one will be in my pocket, yo. Even this one, I carry this one every single goddamn day. And this one here, we got ourselves a toothpick. Oh, okay, let's come, my boys. And let's come to open the knife. This one is a serrated blade with like this. Let me come closer. This one is sharp as hell, yo. It's sharp as hell. It says Swiss Champ. Not Swiss Champ. Victorinox Swiss made up there. Oh yeah, we're gonna put it aside because we're gonna need it. And now we are going to do the Samsung Tab A tablet, the review of it. So yeah, geez, as I was saying, this is the Tab A Samsung, my boys. My dad bought it, my boys. So this is the 4G LTE, I think. Yeah, it's 3G, so it's 32 gig LTE. Yeah, it's 4G too. Let me try to, as you can see, it's 64-bit quad-core processor, 8 megapixels in the back, 2 megapixels in the front, 2 gig RAM. You can read it for yourself, jeez. You can read it for yourself. It's like kids home, in the back. Samsung official seal. This is the bubble. Oh, okay. That's Samsung Galaxy Tab A. Yeah, this is the back. This is the shit. Yeah, so now we're gonna use the Victorinox to open the shit. One here. Then we're gonna see what's in the box. I'm going to set it up and be back with y'all. Oh, let's open it up. Ooh. It's a white box. Okay, this one would come in like not the same shit's plastic or that. You know, that's actually nice. That come like this. You know, I'm liking this style. Let me remove the shits from the shits. Here you have this one. You can open it up and you can take it out. So this is your 8 megapixel camera back. It is. Let's see if it has some juice on it. Yeah, this is the on and off button. This is the volume rocker. As usual, here you have the bottom speakers. The shit where you can charge the phone. Side here, I think this one is where the SIM card is. Yes, this is the headphone jack. Okay, so it had some juice in it. Let's see what. Let's put it aside for now. But this one, because I have to set it up for my dad. So here we have the charging brick. Hey boys, mother, come on. Okay, man, fuck that, leave it out. This one is the SIM ejection tool. I think there's some books and shit. Yeah, I think so. Yes, some instructions, books and shit. Here we have the charging cable. And what's in this? Do we have something in this? Something guys? No, nothing. So no headphones comes with this one, my boys. So only the charger, the wire and the brick. I'm going to put this right here. So let's get back to our main tablet. What? Oh, this is so fucking oh my god, I need to put the bright. Let me set the language before I fuck up. Let me see the language. Let me set the language. Oi. English US. No. Can I fucking put the bright up? Hey, can I put the bright up, man? This is fucking, man, I have to be back with y'all, players. So yeah, I put my information, my boys, because my dad used my account. So, because he does have a Gmail account. So let's go to YouTube. Let's listen to some music. My boys, the speaker of this.
Just to know what you knew. Christmas every time we start looking as a
This song, my boy.
lost control. It's paradise with honesty.
Let's wait for that beat to drop. The speakers are here. Ooh, let's go. my boys. Okay, we're gonna stop it right here. So that's apparently it, yeah. So we're gonna go to, let's see. Let's remove that. Okay, let's go to menu. Come on, open menu. My boys, this one is to close all apps. Simple as that. Here you have the control panel. Up here, you swipe down to open more. I have night mode, not disturb, power mode, mobile data on, this, that shit. Let's settings. Have connection settings, sounds, vibration, display settings. Let's put the brightness just a bit down because it's too goddamn bright now. Screen zoom, screen timeout. Screen timeout after 30 minutes. So we're gonna go on display, wallpaper, this shit, that shit. Okay, yeah, I'm liking this, my boys. It ain't bad for the price, you know. I think he got it for like 195 euros. So that ain't bad. For what is it? So players, that was it for this video. That was the Galaxy Tab, the 4G. My boys, because there's two versions. I think this one is the 295, the T295, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, T295. Sorry for that. Mother trucker. Exactly. The SM2T295. Come on, motherfucker. Let me try to do it like, because it doesn't want to fucking like that. DSMT 295, color silver. So yeah, players, that was it for this video. So you have that review of the Tab 8A T295 and the Victorinox, my boys. The Victorinox, what is it? Trailmaster Camouflage. So yeah, that was it. It's your boy X-Treme X Kyle. I'm out. Peace! See y'all, G's.